Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed?
To you the blind will see, to you the deaf will sing, to you the dead will find. It's a kiss without any shame, something beautiful. No good, sometimes love don't feel like it should.
The culture wants to tear down the things that matter to us: faith, family, friends, our common values, our common civility, and our common citizenship. But one thing is for certain: the people of Ventura County will always remember the brave heroes on that very dark day and that very dark night and those very dark days that followed. We won. We emerged, and we will never forget. Thank you so very much. God bless you, and God bless our men and women in law enforcement and the first responders. Thank you.
Thank you.